Today is truly the best time in history to be alive. Good morning, fellas. Today I'm making my coffee. It's 5 a.m. I'm getting ready for my morning work block, and I just want to talk about something that I woke up and it was on my mind. So, sorry about that. So, if you're on social media a lot, or watching the news, or anything, it's really negative. And once I stopped going on social media, on the bad sides of social media, and clicking on the clickbait titles of negativity, because that's what drives clicks, I actually started engaging with creators that only spit positive messages out. And because there are two ways to look at everything in life. You can always look for something that is bad. Throughout history, there was always something that could be extremely bad. And right now, what are the bad things that people are talking about mostly? It's AI and it's the politics. But I think right now the politics are just overblown because of social media and what's going on in the world right now, but I don't listen to that shit. Because one, you don't know what's real or not. You really have no idea what's real. And two, it's a waste of time. If your energy, your mental energy, focus, and clarity is your scarcest resource, apart from your time. And that's what I realized recently. It's like, you don't have time to be getting your energy thrown off by these negative messages online, or by people that are online consuming media and are just spitting out the narrative, if that makes sense. Like with the AI thing, it's like, oh, it's going to take all these jobs. Bro, AI is here. Who cares, bro? Like, learn how to use it. Or like if you don't learn how to use it, you're going to get left behind. That's just the truth. That's just the reality. And there's no point being negative. Like, negativity doesn't do anything. Damn, this is going to be the slowest coffee I've ever made. I just really do believe it's the best time to be alive, though. We have cars. We can go wherever we want. We can work from home. Like, working from home was my dream. And now that I got it, I forget how nice it is sometimes. But like, I don't know, man. I just woke up feeling extra grateful. And sometimes I do go on the comments of YouTube and stuff, but I've turned that off now because that shit's garbage. Sometimes I'd be going on there, and there's a lot of pain in the world right now. And I think a lot of it stems from social media and the news and these pre-built messages that we're trying to get sold on. So don't get sold on those. Create your own reality, because whatever you believe, whatever your mindset is, that's reality, that's truth. Like, literally, I don't know, man. This has just been on my mind, and it's sad to see. It's really sad to see. But yeah, life is great. Life is beautiful. See you guys in the next one. If you're here at the end right now, drop a comment saying pineapple. Thank you guys for watching. Like the video if you haven't. Peace.